In the heart of a sprawling kingdom, where the echoes of swords clash and the whispers of intrigue fill the air, a grand tale unfolds. The sun sets behind ancient stone walls, casting long shadows over a battlefield stained with the blood of ambition and valor. This is the world of warrior kings. At the center of this tempest stands King Alaric, a ruler torn between loyalty and the lust for power. As rival factions gather, alliances shift like sand, and whispers of betrayal weave through the court. The stakes are high, the throne itself hangs in the balance. As the drums of war echo through the valleys, Alaric discovers a plot that could unravel his reign. His closest advisor, once a trusted confidant, conspires with rival kings to usurp the throne. Betrayal cuts deeper than any blade, and the kingdom stands on the brink of chaos. Yet, amidst the turmoil, a lesson emerges. The true measure of a king is not his power, but his ability to unite and inspire. Alaric must rally his loyal warriors, forging bonds stronger than betrayal itself, to face the oncoming storm. In the final clash, the forces of loyalty and treachery collide, shaping the fate of the kingdom. As swords clash and lives are lost, the outcome will determine if King Alaric's legacy will be that of a tyrant or a hero. History watches as the dust settles on the battlefield, forever changed.